Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and guess what? It's Grove time. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased this month, stick around. If you are an oldie but a goodie and you're coming back, thank you for coming to my channel. I love to see you here. If you are a new visitor to my channel, then please click that red button you see down below and become a member of the Creatively Miss Me family. We would love to have you. And also, guys, don't forget to click that bell and the notification screen will pop up. Click the top and click save, and you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now, guys, on to the video. Well, guys, you know, I've been with Grove Collaborative now for, I say maybe almost 3 years, I think. I think it's been almost 3 years. But anyway, this box here, I did order something different, and I wanted to try it out. I tried out a bottle someone else had to see how it worked first, and I kind of like how it does. So I'm going to show you guys this item, and we're going to go from there. Now, I did try this for the first time. It's the Real Simple Cleaning. It's a stain and odor treatment for your clothing. This is something new they have. I want to try it on some of my husband's t-shirts and undershirts. I want to be able to try to get them a little brighter and get some of the stuff out, the stains out. And then the other item I purchased, of course, is an oldie, the floor cleaner. I try to keep myself in stock. If I use one, if I open up a new bottle, I order a new bottle. I try to keep myself stocked in 3s. I know that's odd, but I try to keep myself stocked at least 3 of each one. That way, if something comes up or some mishap happens, I have cleaner, and I don't want to be without a way to clean my home. All right, and the next thing I got was, I got 3 of these. Excuse me for all of that. I purchased 3, as you see, of the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner in the scent of Eucalyptus Mint. Okay? Now, this foams up and it does pretty good, but I will be doing a video shortly to show you how it cleans, because I have been looking for a foam cleaner to clean the bathroom, and I'm glad I hadn't been reading the names of the things. That is on me. But I do like the way it cleans, so I will be showing you guys a video soon of how I use this foam cleaner. Now, the next thing I got was an oldie but goodie, and it's the wrong, I did it again. But this is the dishwasher cleaner, the dishwashing detergent. And I always try to get the lemon one, but sometimes I always click this one and I need to read better. This is the free and clear, it doesn't have a scent to it. But it's a powerful cleaner, and I like the way it cleans my dishes in my dishwasher. So guys, this is my Grove Collaborative box for this month. I purchased these items. If you've never tried Grove Collaborative and you're interested in looking at their products, I have a link down below where you can go to their site and see all the wonderful products they have to offer. You can follow me on my social media contacts. They'll be listed down below on the screen, as well as in the description box. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.